Ciao ciao, Subima. Today is also rainy day. Uh, I feel sad. Um, I don't work in rainy day. It rainy days. It has it has been raining for 3 days ago. It has rain. It has it has been raining since last week. Ah, by the way, today's outfit, my outfit. I'm wearing uh, rain outdoor. I'm wearing a outdoor jacket. The brand is Baja. This is made from This is made from Sweden じゃなくて Finland. I don't know. But my favorite one. This is Anorak. Anorak. It is too comfortable uh, when it is なんてもうダメだな comfortable wear in rainy days. This is comfortable on rainy day. Yes. Let's review English class. I'm wearing they are having dinner. They are having salad. Salad for dinner. There are many drinks and food on the table. There are many drinks and food on the table. You have been teaching me for a long time. You have been teaching me. You have been teaching me for. You have been teaching English me. You have been teaching English me for a long time. You have been teaching English me for a long time. You have been teaching me. You have been teaching English me for a long time. The woman in the middle is wearing a white sleeveless shirt. The woman in the middle is wearing a white sleeveless shirt. On her left side, I can see a man wearing a blue checked shirt. On her left side, I can see a man wearing a blue checked shirt. That's why they are enjoying talking to each other. That's why they are enjoying talking to each other. Nurse is helping him to walk. The nurse is helping him to walk. I ran out of coffee beans. I ran out of coffee beans. I ran out of coffee beans. I ran out of gas. Gas か。I ran out of gas. My motorbike runs out of runs. My motorbike ran out of gas. My motorbike ran out of gas and had to there are some cherries on top of the chocolate cake. There are some cherries on top of the chocolate. There are some cherries on top of the chocolate cake. That's all. I have to buy a new coffee beans because I ran out of coffee beans. I ran out of coffee beans already. Correct. I have to I have to buy a new coffee beans. Because I ran out of coffee beans. So the restaurant is call me. I have to go there. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.